Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve unexpected client behavior. To know how to fix unexpected client behavior on Roblox app, you should just go to settings. Then in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list, you will search about this window of Roblox. Here in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then we can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.